Hi guys, today I'm making super easy mini cheesecakes. If you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for future video notifications. I'm dedicating this video to our niece Rochelle and nephew Ben across the pond in Scotland, who are both cheesecake lovers. For the entire recipe, you will need 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs room temperature, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, which is the equivalent to 9 to 10 whole graham crackers, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You will also need a cupcake pan for this, or if you just want one whole cheesecake, this will make 1 9-inch cheesecake. For this video, I'll be using these cute heart-shaped silicone molds that we got from the dollar store because it's almost Valentine's Day. But you can use a regular cupcake pan or a silicone cupcake pan as well. My husband crushed the graham crackers in a freezer bag with a rolling pin. Make sure you use a strong bag and do not seal it completely or it might bust open. Be sure to get all of the lumps out. In a mixing bowl, combine your graham crackers or your crust of choice with confectionery sugar, salt, and melted butter. Then mix until the crumbs are thoroughly coated, then set aside for later. To make your cheesecake filling in a large bowl, add your 2 packages of cream cheese and your sugar, then mix until it's creamy. Then add your eggs and your vanilla and mix until fully incorporated. Now it's time to fill your molds. Spoon the crust mixture into the mold, patting it firmly into the bottom. Finally, add your cheesecake filling all the way to the top. Then place them in the oven for approximately 17 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven. And there you have it, super easy mini cheesecakes. You can enjoy these plain or you can get creative with toppings. I put blueberry, I put raspberry, strawberry, and I even have some lemon curd on one of them. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification of new videos. Please feel free to give us any comments or share your suggestions below. We love hearing from you. As always, thank you for your support and don't forget to add us on Facebook.